with your game, pop your shit, say something pretty, let's stay thick, beef with who she got the right one. All these bad bitches, they got the like none. Pretty on think I got the type one. Pick one, take it, I got the right one. These bad bitches you like is my son.
So hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. I actually want to say I missed you guys. I don't know if you missed me, but I hope you did. And I'm just showing you guys my quick little pack situation. This is what I got going on here. Okay, don't mind the cover, it's a heated blanket. And then this is toiletries, or else I feel like that, the good stuff. And then this here, all this good stuff here. My makeup and everything like that, my clothes, my shoes, my jewelry, my coat. I'm taking Spirit, so this is the only size that I could bring, so spare me. My makeup, my jewelry, and yeah, I'm gonna pack away everything else, so come with me on my flight. All right, y'all, so we made it past the check-in. Now we're boarding. Yes, ma'am. Girls trip. Party time. Party, party, party. Yes, yes. All right, this is our current situation, y'all. The girlies are good, nice and seated. I'm not eating no food off of here, but I'm definitely gonna grab me a little one too. This is current situation. Mommy.
So all the way down to the ground.
Sissy, mommy, we on our way to the rental. We finally got off the flight. We were on the flight for what, 40 minutes? 40 minutes on that plane?
Yeah.
Before they let us off. It was like 40 minutes. So now we're on the way to get the car. This is the
We got 2 family members to visit. Well, we got 2
This is okay. We don't have a view, but it's okay. And the window is horrible. Me and Sissy is going to go downstairs, and well, not downstairs. We're going next door to grab some drinks and some food. Are we pulling up? Okay. Now she going next door with us. Okay. Ooh, should I get some glasses? Oh my god, this tag. These are so cute. These are so cute. These are cute too, but they're not in my size. It's very big in here. Are those shoes? Oh, those are my queen. Y'all, we are at TJ Maxx, and I have never in my life knew that they had a pre-owned section. That's fire. And it's all real, like $600. Right? I've never seen this in a TJ Maxx before. Pardon me. These are absolutely horrific. We at the Waffle House, y'all. I am adorable. Can I just say that? Body is doing what it needs to do. All right, y'all, let's go to the Waffle House. Eat some food. So we just left Waffle House, y'all. Why did this man make my mama some pancakes? Okay.
Hey.
Pretty privileged. That was so sweet of him. Leia girl got her food.
Diced and jalapeno. Got some eggs waiting to eat.
Spicy. Love it. Got my Texas milk.
Get my phone out of my
Oh yeah, I'm about to tear it down. Going to the beauty supply so I can pick up a few things. I'm with Sissy. She just woke up. She's not in the mood. Ooh, how you doing? Okay, a little spacious. Definitely giving country bunk. Love it. All right, let's get what I gotta get and get out of here. All right, y'all, we just made it to the second room. Looking hot mess. We had a journey, okay? We had a journey. This is the bathroom. Y'all, just a little one, too. Nothing too much. This, though, this is crazy. The lady said this is the only room with a jacuzzi. And God blessed us. That is so lit. We got the bed, the, necessities. We're gonna pull it up, y'all. Me and mommy girl coming in the flyest. Sissy done already went ahead of us.
And I'm never always thinking, Jordy. I do it how you say you want it. Them girls, they just wanna take my money. They don't want me to get nothing. They don't want you to learn nothing. They don't want to see me fight your love. They don't want to see me smiling girl when they music a jam, can I wind up that bumper? This is the summer controller. Straight from Canada, being a man from Jamaica. The one you murder. Hey, you the king, Burger King. With a bad little mommies. You know I wanna rock your body. You know I wanna do some things. I tell that pussy out the frame. We some top flow, penthouse, sweet type niggas. I am not a rapper, I'm a boom boom killer. Slim, handsome, rich and
Big red boy. I gotta write over this. Cousin, yeah. Strong girly all day, okay? Thanks to my cousin. Yeah. Very much.
Extra bacon. A cheese steak hash brown bone. You want?
Look how many orders now.
Oh, never mind.
Where's
I'm sorry to frighten you, but I must look like I get you. This is my lady Marlene Glass. Automatic. Oh, there you go. You got your cream and your sugar, madam. Wonderful. I didn't see a plastic video of that. So cool. I'm going to stand right here.
And Khaleesi and Rio.
right?
Yeah, nigga, they my cousin. He got scared.
Okay.
He got scared.
And he was a dope. He'll swim his way down and drink his way over. But the river ain't no liquor, and he ain't no motherfucking dope. You can take these shots for him and get fucked up. Can't wait. Oh my Not in that white man. Either way, the other spot in the back.
Love me.
little sticky buds in it.
Wow.
That's crazy. Look, this is a bud. This is what my ancestors died for. This damn cotton.
Ooh, I feel something in my soul.
Look how far it stretches.
Wow.
Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie, you understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within, and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky, and never wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. To take her higher, higher, fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, higher, fly up out the valley and the fire. Train her feet for running, show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running.
I don't know what.
Yes.
Coming off the rocks, or the rocks pure by the water. So.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you're right.
Well, that's what happened. The rocks purified.
It feels so good. I love this.
Bitch, your game, pop your shit, face on pretty, that's they thick. Beef with who, she got the right one. All these bad bitch, they got the like none. Pity, I don't think I got the type one. Pick one, take it, I got the right one. These bad bitch, you like is my son.